On August 18, Geshe Sesang Gyatso, a 52-year-old Tibetan monk and leader of Tsang Monastery in Amdo, took his own life in protest against the escalating repression by Chinese authorities. According to Tibet Times, just before the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday, Chinese officials raided Tsang Monastery, searching monks' rooms, confiscating photos of the Dalai Lama, and placing the monastery under strict lockdown. All monks under 18 were expelled. From late July, controls tightened further. Monks endured daily searches, political indoctrination, and bans on centuries-old tradition, causing deep distress. It was under these intensified restrictions that Geshe Sesang Gyatso made his tragic decision. This tragedy reflects a much larger reality. So far, the Chinese government has destroyed over 6,000 monasteries, and tens of thousands of monks and nuns have seen their religious lives disrupted. Geshe Sesang Gyatso's death stands as a stark act of protest against the ongoing repression in Tibet.